Can I pay MetLife online? Yes, MetLife provides online payment options for policyholders, making it easy and convenient to pay premiums. Whether you prefer one-time payments or setting up automatic payments, MetLife offers multiple online methods to ensure timely premium payments. Below is a detailed explanation of how to pay MetLife online. 1. Online payment methods available. MetLife allows customers to make payments online through their official website and mobile app. Payment options typically include credit cards, debit cards, and electronic bank transfers, ACH payments. Some policies may also support autopay for recurring payments. 2. How to make an online payment. Step 1. Visit the official MetLife website and log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Make a Payment section. Step 3. Select your preferred payment method, credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Step 4. Enter the necessary payment details and review your payment. Step 5. Confirm the transaction and receive a payment confirmation receipt. 3. Setting up automatic payments. MetLife offers an autopay feature that allows policyholders to set up recurring payments through their bank account or credit card. This ensures that premiums are paid on time, reducing the risk of policy lapses or late fees. 4. Paying through the MetLife mobile app. MetLife's mobile app provides a secure way to make payments from your smartphone. The app offers the same payment methods as the website and allows users to view payment history, set up reminders, and manage policies on the go. 5. Payment confirmation and tracking. Once you make an online payment, MetLife provides a confirmation number and email receipt. You can track all your previous payments by accessing your online account, ensuring complete transparency and payment security. 6. Late payment and fees. Missing a payment deadline may result in late fees or policy cancellation. Enrolling in automatic payments can help avoid these issues and keep your coverage active. If you face payment difficulties, MetLife may offer grace periods or flexible payment plans. Paying MetLife online is a quick, secure, and convenient option for policyholders. With multiple online payment methods, autopay features, and mobile accessibility, keeping up with your premiums has never been easier. To get the most competitive quote on insurance in your area, simply click on the link in the description below.